Hi guys. Today I'll be playing Microwave Dinner. I saw this game from Stormbrew. Like Stormbrew said that this is an actual good game on Roblox, and every game is so boring. It's either like click to click one speed or something. So I'm gonna play this game. If it's underrated, then I'm really sad. Cause it only has like right now as I'm doing this video, it has like 170 players. Well, the most brainwater games has like 300,000 dogs. But yeah, we are traveling to space and time. I wonder how. Oh, I just know that's a fridge. Kaboom. Okay. Blue Fort Port. Okay. I've actually never played this game before. So now you guys can hear the sound, I think. Let's see. Oh, wow. That looks really nice. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there are other players here. Wait, actually? Oh, I thought this was a single player game. I'm actually so happy. Alright. Let's just take this fried chicken. Yeah. Give me. Thank you. Deciding to be found out. Oh my, what? Whoa! Get some more water. You know what? I wanted to just try to do that. Oh, double gun. Thank you. Oh, I can't unlock the restaurant. Where's that? Oh! Okay, let's go. Let's go. Where's the restaurant? Back. Oh, there's the restaurant. Go. Yeah, this not just there's a lot of fried chicken here. I should keep some. Ooh. Here's the restaurant. Oh. Oh wow. Oh wow. Hello, same blue dude, Bob. And the restaurant. The kitchen is here. Yeah, okay. Actually, is there anything I need to do here? A microwave robot. Rob must be here for a job. Go talk to Chef, but he's right back in the kitchen. Yeah, boy. Yep. Yes. Chef. Hi, I'm the chef of this restaurant. Too bad I'm not doing much cooking because nobody will help me. I will. I will help. Wait, I need food for the soup. Get some, put them in the pot. I need some lettuce, chicken, and a fish, and a carrot. Good luck. Where can I find that? Okay, no, wait. Pick up lettuce. There goes the lettuce. So, here's some chicken. I only need fish. I'm sure we'll figure it out. Is there nothing here? Is that all? Okay. I see chicken, but I'm not gonna get it. Where could the carrot be? Do we need to go outside to get a carrot? Do we need to go outside to get the carrot? Oh! But there's some pole dance. Oh, soup. Yep, there's definitely a. Let's go. Jump down. Boom. No, we only need fish. Fish! Fish! Oh. Okay. We dropped the carrot. Okay. Okay, yeah, this one is actually not that good. Really did anything. You can do it close to Let's line up for take. No, wrong one. Where was the? No, I wanted to jump. I don't have time. And there's like nothing I can do. That's it. Can you please come to me? Yes, please don't. Please. Yes. Get rolling. Get a move on. Boing. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Let's cook this chef. Go, yeah. And the last ingredient. You finish collecting everything for the soup. The pepper chef flour. Whoa, you got everything planned. This is going to be a delicious soup. Everyone will love it. But did you put Mr. Bubble in the soup? The restaurant pet. Me? I messaged you. Yeah. What can I have? Yes, wait, I can microwave the food, right? That's what Stormbrew said in his video. Hey, I got a microwave dinner. Take it to the fridge. It can be used as you select enough to upgrade. Okay, let me go to fridge bar and end this video right there. Okay, guys, this was been a lot of fun. Stormbrew was not lying with this game is good, bro. She was not lying. Or it's a he, I don't know. Well, I actually can't find the fridge, so I guess I'll just end the video right here. Bye everyone. I will see you. I'll probably do another part of these, so bye.